Oh, I can do it. I just need the time to do it, which is now. The time is now. Also, I changed my icon. I have the fairy from A Link to the Past. I love the old school Zelda fairy designs. They're so good. Not that works. Used to come and go she please before birthing the kittens. Okay. So NSO got an update today. Mario Land, Game Boy Baseball, and Alleyway, which is a game I've wanted to play. That's a Pong like or a Breakout like. Japan also got for the Frog the Bell Tolls. 3 GB launch titles. Yeah, I know. It's weird that they came out now. How long is Alleyway? This is the sound this game makes. This game has invaded my brain. Because I got so annoyed with it. Anyway, I played this, as you, if you were here last Tuesday, I did this whole entire thing, because the demo didn't carry over, in one night, and I got all the way up to the final form of the final boss, and I couldn't pull it out in time. So, we're back with a third part of this. It says I'm only 80% done, probably because I don't have enough collectibles yet, and I'm still missing one, hairpiece, I think? I believe that should be a hairpiece right here, unless this is something different. What's the default clothes? I actually can't remember. I'm assuming blue and green were the default. So outside of some gripes with the bosses, I pretty much enjoyed this game. I was getting annoyed at the last boss just because I was stuck on it at the very end after playing this for 4 hours, but now that I have time, we can take our time with it. Though I would like to get this finished sooner rather than later. I'm not going to bother with the time trials on stream. There's no point. I know you get extra stickers, but the stickers, again, aren't really necessarily worth my time. So, this is Emperor Naro. There's like a cutscene. We'll watch it again. Oh, cool, and it keeps my temp health that I bought at the end of the last stream. I do kind of wish you could just quickly revive it instead of having to go back to a shop and buying them one at a time. Anyway, this boss fight's annoying. At the very least, there's a checkpoint in the middle, which is good. He's on that Hylix. He's on that Hylix jam. Okay, I fucked it up. Alright. Yeah, where's Wayne when you need him? See, again, the fact that I just go back down to 4 health after losing your 10th health is just kind of like, why? It should at least last the whole level, not have to restart. Because it just feels pointless. The fact that they don't give you any health refills during this fight, too, is annoying. The other fights did, to some extent. But, like, now if I want the 8 health, I have to go and exit and restart the entire stage. Which I'm not really cool with doing. Okay, first swarm's down. I thought that might give me an advantage, but it did not. Anyway, the true final fight is finally beginning. Oh, that hit me. Okay. I don't know, man. I don't know. This fight feels like, again, it's just a tad harder than it needs to be. That felt unfair. Why'd I get hit by the thing as it was going? Up. Okay. Game just said, nope, you're not going to drill out that way. I figured out the pattern for this first part. Nope, never mind. Got hurt. Clearly I did not. Okay, now here's where it gets tricky. Okay. Never mind. I can just fall to my death, that's cool. And we'll have to do time to do it all again. Oh, he only did one that time. For some reason. Where's the consistency? Now he's doing 2. And I got hit like a dummy. That's good. Oh, I was still drilling! Okay! I was still drilling there, apparently. Even though the game didn't tell me I was still drilling. That was weird. I got hurt. And I got hurt. Game, like, I don't know, man. Like, it was doing so well until this fight. This fight's just so much diarrhea to, like, to keep up with. Like, you know when, like, a game gets, like, an excessive amount of visual effects on the screen you gotta keep track of? Visual diarrhea. Give me the option to at least get temp health between phases here. Like, that's how I feel this should have been set up. If you're gonna do this, at least have... If you're gonna put a save point, it could have been a separate level. Or at the very least, giving me, like, a checkpoint or something to buy, the death here. Or something to rebuy temp health. Because it's not like the game takes it away from you. If you have temp health going into this battle, you still have it. Why get so close, though? And I hit Y, and it didn't let me do the thing. Alright. Take death here. I really hate when, like, the final boss of a game is, like, the reason I don't like it. I'm not saying I don't like the game, I'm just saying I hate that it, like, gets to be the most frustrating part. Because it's like, it feels like it's just like, oh, well, it's because I'm not good at it. And it's maybe that's the case, but it's also like... Yeah, but, like, I didn't have this much trouble with the rest of the game, mostly. Okay, why did I only hit it 2 times there? So, I don't know. I don't know how to really describe it. Also, it's just too loud. Let me turn it down a bit. There we go. How come I can't... How come, like, sometimes I can hurt him, but sometimes the game's like, no, you can't here. And then it hurts me, and it hurts me. The last level also had a lot, its fair share of bullshit going on too, unfortunately. Like, remember that enemy spam elevator? That was way too fucking much for the game to throw at you. First strategy and it didn't pay off. Just take the death. No point. How are people in Japan drawing art of Prince Sable and Richard so quickly? We cry. Well, I mean, they had 20-something years, they had 30-something years to do it, but yeah. I streamed that game. You were there when I streamed it. It was fun. Kind of wish the color mod would get finished for it. I know people were working on it for a while. Still crust days. Yeah, that's true. That was still the 480p days. What? Why was I still drilling? Why was I still drilling there? Shit. Oh my god, I have not even taken out half of his health yet. So rough. Oh, he's doing another one? Oh, what? Oh, what? No, 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 no. This is unfair. This is absolutely unfair. You can't. You cannot expect me to fucking deal with that. This has officially gotten too hard for the casual player to beat. Why did I, like, curve so perfectly into the fucking ditch? Like, I don't understand that. This game's physics are becoming its downfall. No, why did... Why? There was a whole cycle I just wasted because I had to keep drilling. It's random if the drilling keeps going. Okay, I let go of the button. Why am I still drilling? Why was I still drilling? I was not drilling! Yeah, this game's bullshit. I'm sorry. It was great until this last fight, and then it just immediately shit the bed. Like, I just can't. I can't deal with it. I can't deal. I took a whole week off of doing this, and I still can't deal with it. Oh, I got hurt at some point because the game said yes, you did. Why? I let go of the ZR button. Why did it still continue to drill me down? Why did I get hurt there? Why? Like, this whole game's a bunch of whys at this point. I still got hurt, like, even with the very dodgeful, like, skillful dodge. Oh, cool. Even with, like, very... I don't know, man. I just, like... It just... I don't know. No! I could have gotten out of that without getting hurt, you know? I could have, but it didn't let me. Oh god, seeing how much health it has left, it's just frustrating. What? Why was I still drilling? What? You saw that, right? Like the game, like I hit ZR for just a moment. It should. Repeated inputs, manual. That means I shouldn't be drilling when my my finger's not on ZR, and that's exactly what was happening there. Not really cool. Like it shouldn't be like, making me skim like that. Why? I just wanted to jump on the platform below. I think it's most frustrating because it's not like the whole game was like this. Like, yeah, I was annoyed at the bosses before, but this fight is just... After all we went through to get here, I thought I was going to drill automatically that time, because why the fuck not? Like, I don't understand the physics behind why the drill keeps going in some parts. Because it doesn't seem like there's any logic or reason behind it. Oh, missed my shot. Another volley. Okay, I'm not sure what I was supposed to do there, but... Oh, he's doing another one. Oh, there was one left that didn't break! Oh my god, man, come on! Like, what am I supposed to do here? This is ridiculous. Okay, do anything to avoid that. Oh, okay. I. Okay. When Babby mode acts, there's no Babby mode in this game. I could slow down the game, but that's not Babby mode. Oh, okay, cool. I'll just do that. Like there was any doubt in my mind that I would survive that. I love how, like, you respawn on a platform and there's no iframes. So if the lightning's hitting at that exact moment, guess what? You take 2 damage. But no, don't give us any way to buy the temp health for this fight. Okay, I don't know. Everything about this fight is so poorly designed. I hate it. I hate it. It's a shame, too, because I thought I was being too hard on this game for being annoying at the end. But no, it actually is just not well designed. This fight sucks. Like, why is there no grappling hook in the center? At the very least, one of those. Also, stop making these friggin' skulls explode all the way into the middle of one of these pieces of rock. Like, I feel like that completely destroys the whole point of digging into them to be safe. And there we go. It's just too much, man. It's too much. We don't need it to be this friggin' hard. Whatever. Alright, what are we doing now? Hey, I just have to actually fight the final boss. It'll be quick and easy this time, because I know what to do. It'll be quick and easy, I said 30 minutes ago. There we go. What? 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 Huh? The fuck just happened? What? Excuse me? Excuse the fuck me? What just happened? I won, didn't I? Excuse the absolute fuck me? Did this game just say go fuck yourself? I think it did. I think this game hit me during the cutscene, counted it as damage, and killed me. I think the game just said, oh, fuck you. Okay. Fuck you too, Pepper Grinder. Literally in the middle of the finale cutscene, and it kills me. That's incredible. I've never seen a game be so dickish to its player before. Except right now, when it made me drill when I didn't mean to. I'm sorry, did you say fuck me? Like, what the absolute shit was that? Come on. That actually pissed me off. Like, man, come on. There was no reason why you would do that. Why you would do that to a player. Zoom in cutscene to end the battle. Yeah, sure. Okay. Oh, they got hit during it? Oh, well, that's too bad. They're taking damage. Oh, they only had 1 health? Oh, that's okay. They're dead. They'll do it again. They'll do it again. They said. Oh, come on! Why would you do that to me? There we go. Tag teamed. What a load of bullshit. Yeah, I know. Don't worry, minions. I feel the same way. Oh, man. I'm not a fan of that final boss. Oh, you can only speed it up. At least I beat it. At least I beat it. Man, that was frustrating as shit. Okay, I know exactly what happened. I got to the final cutscene. I mashed ZR just a second too late, and the other attack that was still on the screen from the lightning hit me or something. I have to go back and review the footage. But, yeah, I think what happened was I got killed while I was trying to do the final hit. And I think they counted it, which I don't think they took that into consideration. So I took damage, and, yeah, that kind of sucked. That set me off pretty bad. It set me off in the same way that After Alterna did. Remember that? Where I got up to the very last phase, and then after an hour of trying it, the game crashed on me. I feel that same level of unfairness here. But, I mean, whatever. I beat it. But yeah, I mean, like I said, my opinion of this game is mostly positive. It was just that last boss and the final level beforehand that really... Ugh, man. Could have done anything to alleviate some of that pain. That elevator, like that. Why did that elevator shaft have to be like the way it was? The elevator shaft in the last level was not great. But whatever. I finished it. Mostly positive about this game. I would say that, like, if I wasn't trying to stream it, I'd probably have a I would have had a much better time with it. But such is the nature of streaming. You get sick of doing the same thing over and over and want to move on because otherwise the stream's not entertaining. But yeah, it was mostly good. I mean, you watch my demo stream of it, and I was like, oh, this is amazing. I love this game. I want to do more of this. And then when I actually streamed it, like, it started off that way. And again, to be honest, most of this game I loved. The bosses were a little frustrating, but, like, outside of that, the game was great up until the last world. And then that last couple dots on the map, just, yeesh, oof. But hey, I beat it. I beat it, that's all that matters. I don't care about time attack. This was hard enough getting to the end. I do want to get that last item, though. The coin. See what happens. Babby game. I mean, I'll say the game is not easy. It's not easy. It takes a while to get used to the controls, but it definitely no wormies. Cool. It definitely kicks up heavily towards the end. More like Boo Boo game, yeah. I mean, if they were going for a design that said, if they were going for a final boss that said, come on, this is bullshit, then they succeeded. What's the gold on this? I don't even want to see it. I'm like afraid. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. I was at that for a half an hour. I would love to see the speedrun for that. Also, what am I doing with this last coin now? Oh, here it is. Gold hair. I don't have to do anything specific to get, like, the rare ones. Peepus Grinder. Mint 2. I don't think I got Mint 1. These are all like the same ones. I'm not getting any new ones. Like, I'm still missing 4 from Series 4, and they just don't show up. When is Delta Airlines game anyway? I don't know. I used United last time I flew. Actually, no, it was Delta. Or no, it might have been United. I've flown with all 3 of the major... I haven't flown Southwest. I've flown Delta, American, and United. And I'd have to say United, probably the most comfortable. Delta was probably the least comfortable. Alright, Series 3, we're still missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But, like, look how many repeats I get from it. That was a Delta mechanic. Oh yeah, that's right, you've told me about that. Delta had the... No, you know why I'm not keen on Delta? Because that's when I was carrying my fursuit head on the flight, and it wasn't comfortable. It was very cramped. Maybe the same one. Look how many sharks I got right there. Never flown ever. Weird that they don't give you any new drill designs. I did not get a single new sticker from that. Is there like a secret to getting the rest of the stickers that I'm not seeing? Because I'm pretty sure the special series are all for speedrunning the levels. I don't know. Also very clunky to scroll through these. Yeah, there's like just 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm pretty sure I don't have this. 7, yeah. There's just 7 missing from me. Well, Series 4, I'm only missing 4, but then these are all speedrun stages, I think. I don't know. And I don't know how to get the songs either. It's all the boss themes, I believe. And then that intro theme. So you get those automatically. I'm guessing the other songs you get through the stages by getting like a high enough score. Or high enough, quick enough time. To 1 minute 35 seconds. I don't think I'd be able to pull that off in like a million years. Already fucked it up. Man, not even close to getting the gold time on this. Okay, yeah. So you get a sticker, a disc, and a sticker. Makes sense. And I'm guessing the disc is always going to be the stage theme, right? Yeah. Because it's 4, boss theme, 6, which I'm assuming because there's the hidden stage, boss theme, 6, boss theme, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, boss theme. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. The sticker you get for clearing it, though, goes in special. Yeah, it does. Okay. Alright, yeah, so that makes sense. But, like, then how do you get the rest of these regular series stickers? That's what I'm wondering. So yeah, these time trial times are kind of tight. Maybe probably a little too tight for me to ever achieve in a meaningful way. Did I get anything new there? Narsailor, maybe? I don't know. I can't tell. Maybe. I only had one of it. Whatever. I don't think I have the patience to do any more of that. I might attempt time travels on levels, but I mean, doing that on the boss is no thank you. 84%. For almost 5 hours. It's not too bad. Not a whole lot else happening. But hey, you know, it was good. It was good outside of the bullshit that this entire stream of it entailed. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it enough to recommend it. If you can deal with that final boss, then yeah, this game's great. Definitely one for the physics-based people out there. I think I'm good on it. For now. Or just in general, you know. But, yeah, that's Pepper Grinder. Stick around. Still more stream coming up. I will have more in just a moment.